Thank God the hospital is not far. Guys, so what I wanted to show you guys, my garden. So yesterday, something happened to my garden. I'm sad. I'm just sad because the things, they don't look pretty at all. So I just know. See, yesterday the gardener planting tree just drop on the ground. So if you fix it, I see my things them look bad too. Cause yesterday I saw whole heap of ants on them, so I decided to spray it with vinegar. Yeah, just straight vinegar. And you see, guys, it did not really help from ants enough. Ants still there and still a crawl, but you see all the leaves are mashed up. So yeah, I don't know if something like it burned it. Maybe vinegar burnt leaves, so I'm just a worry that it will die in general. But well, I hope for the best, I'm sad because so far for me planting things not really work for me, That's why I'm sad. So many times when I plant in Portmore, I plant so many stuffs, I now work. Guys, the door is closed and I cannot open it from outside. Daniel locked it, so thanks God Errol is in the house. Errol! Daniel locked we. So madness happening. So we're gonna try to go around the back. Yo, I'm sad. I just know I could never even think about them. Something like it could burn plants. See, guys, Errol is getting ready for him first training session. We'll train kids. Yes, and guys, we are still available. You can sign your child for the training session. So yeah, we have so far one student, but better to have some than none.
Let's go. Yeah, okay.
Jabba. What do you think? Am I becoming thicker? Is he? For real, I get thick though. Need if you cut them goldy cakes, Cause I'm too much goldy. I came back home from training, from the football training, and when the football training started, Daniel he dropped on his straight hand because he was chasing the ball. It was at the beginning of the training, so he dropped on the straight hand, and I think he broke his forearm. Well, I think so because his forearm is swollen and it looked kind of shorter than the next forearm. Other forearm. So I think, well, I don't know yet. So tomorrow is Sunday, so not open, but say painful when you touch it. So Google it, and it says might be a broken forearm, but I don't know. So we have to go to the clinic, but tomorrow no we are open, so I'll go wait on Monday. Just not know.
I'm not sure when I'm drop on him hand. Of course, can't care what that, but why you are going at the world end like him a cry? Of course, if him drop bad, if me a play football and drop bad from my foot, of course I'm gonna feel pain. When we drop back on my foot, we my foot to swell up. Swell up. And natural something. Youth, me get injury, me play football, me step bad, my ankle swell up. 3-4 days it go down and me alright. If your hand block, if your hand right now if me take a hammer, if me take a baseball bat and take it and boom and block your bone, your ball from now till you reach a doctor till them give you painkiller injection everything. A football man a play youth. If Danny and did block, I'll know your ball till you reach a hospital or a doctor take care of him. I'll know. You know what's different from the other hand? And can you so a broken person can lift up them hands up?
I don't know, but why it look so swollen?
It's not so swollen.
Why? You see, him hold. You see, I'm not supposed to hold it like that.
Because you're not
So
supposed
why
to
hold it so?
cause it painful. Not hold it so cause it painful.
Why because it's like
Daddy. Listen to me, this is risk. You must hold it so cause you must pain in your hand. Why you will be able to say what you want?
We're going to St. Anne Hospital. They have available X-ray place where they do it. X-ray here, but well, let's see. Because trust me, I can't just gamble on baby health, and I just don't like the way he's sitting. It's not a natural position for the hand. So more of no, I go more of no. I'm sad, John, I'm sad. Thank God the hospital is not far. Hello, Danny. Yeah, guys, so we reach hospital. See? Here. I'll walk with Danny. And we with Leo. Be dogs out the door. Oh wow. Huh? You're all gone with Daniel. We are waiting with Leo. See, we are waiting outside. Yeah, we are waiting outside because we are not allowed. Only one parent with the child there. So since Leo and I have nothing to check on, thanks God. So yeah, only one parent allowed. And yes, you just need your passport and everything free. Yeah, with your passport. Yeah. And this is in Region Hospital. Here. So, what happened? The hand broke? See?
One of the not in lower one with the top one.
Broke? Yeah. Like broke.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Once the doctor in surgery with somebody.
Surgery?
They in a surgery with somebody already. So if them when they come down, they will decide if they will put it in a cast. They will put it on the white one.
Oh wait, oh surgery?
No, no put cast on him hand.
Oh God, man, oh Lord Jesus.
So
oh Lord.
If we go back in with him, we just come up with it. So if whatever them decide, then we tell me, and if you have to carry home, we carry home, yeah.
Yeah, you have to carry me home and go back to
No, they're not allowing me to go right now.
Alright.
They're not allowing me to leave now. But they will tell me. And the first chance you get, they're not going to tell me.
Yeah guys, so one of the bones, forearm arm bones broken. So the doctor is operating on somebody, so I have to wait. So I don't know how long we are going to wait here. Oh, John, no star. There's so much stress now. Can't believe the man just ended up with the forearm broken. You see, ambulance them come carry people. Oh Lord Jesus, just not know how long it's gonna go. Cause Leo say I have to sleep on it 10:30 in the night, so I just know it's gonna go. Can't drive, I can't go home. I just don't know. What's so much? Why? Oh gosh. You see, something was telling me like something not right about hand. I see it here, broken bone. I'm gonna see how he fell on the hand. He fell straight on the hand with all his body like that. I'm see how he fell, and from see how the way him fell on the ground. I pray to God. Like the way him started cry, I pray to God and a bone him broke. But see this, a bone him broke. So I just don't know. I don't know. A whole night we're gonna spend here probably, and we are gonna sleep on bench. See the bench. A security guard play some music. Little company. Cars just come and go. Oh Jesus. Life not easy. Life not get easy. 3 hours later. Careful, Earl. Leo is sleeping. See? Leo knocked out. Acha. Baby Danny. He's sleeping. What happened? Oh, he was sleeping while they were putting the whatever the cast. Yeah. Oh, you're not done? Shit, man. Oh, you're going inside her. Oh my God. Yeah, man, Leo is sleeping. I'm just trying to, to not close my eyes, but I'm good. Guys, we are home with Leo, but Errol gone back to the hospital because they don't give us back Daniel. Based on his injury, they said his injury is pretty rare, like for a little child to break a bone, like here, the forearm, how do you call it, here, yeah man, like here bones broken, one of the bones. So they said it's an unusual injury, so they need to check with social service first before they send child back home. So Errol gone to the hospital to stay with Danielle, and we are at home with Leo. Yeah, and tomorrow social service will come talk to Errol, check out Danielle. So morning guys, we woke up. See, Leo was asking about Daniel all morning. Where's Daniel? Where's father? Errol messaged me and told me that Daniel, he was keep asking to carry him home because no matter what, they had toys in the hospital and stuff, but he's not interested. He wants to go home. And yeah, they're still there. They spent night in the hospital, Errol and Danielle, and Errol called me, told me that they will stay longer because they're waiting on, like I told you guys before, social service, because people want to question Errol, because today Errol will be staying in the hospital and we don't know how long. He asked me to prepare some food because Daniel is a picky eater. He does not want to eat hospital food. No one to eat school food and worse hospital food. So Errol is gonna have it for you. Yeah, so I'm gonna boil some soup. I love chicken soup, chicken noodle soup. Yeah. So yeah man, I boil some chicken and I go just sort it out and turn it into a soup. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so I'm trying to, help, Errol in that situation too. So, do some little thing too. Yeah, gonna send some soup for Daniel because he loves soup. Yeah man. Just, the host just does not feel the same. The host is feeling lonely.
So yeah guys, I don't know what to make of this. We haven't taken a bath since Saturday. Yeah. How's your hand? Still painful? Wait, touch it. There? Ouch. Yeah? You got the car. Yeah, so then I make the best of it. I'm making the best of it. You're trying. Alright, Danny.
Yeah, guys, so but the great thing about the hospital, it was completely free. So I'm glad for that this care was provided by government. And Daniel, as a Jamaican, because he has a Jamaican passport, he could use the opportunity to use the hospital facilities for free. Yeah, but you don't know how, like, you don't know things slow, but it's everywhere. Once you're in a government facility, once you're in a government place. Also, it goes in Russia same way, because a lot of people, they use the hospital, so it's natural for it to be slow, and not because people just made it slow cause whatever reason. Yeah, so I'm glad them little things we never had to pay for it, cause a doctor visit, x-ray scan, then the next time you have to visit the doctor, have to pee again, and like put in the whatever them say they might go put the cast. So now one day they put it already, or they just planning to do it, but Earl said that they have to come back next week for something else they have to fix, and something. So I'm glad and yeah man, I go jump on them hospital government hospital care, cause it's literally a lifesaver, you know what I'm saying? It's good, it's amazing. Yeah man, so just gonna have to deal with what we're dealing with, and they're just life, things happen, kids fall, kids break things, kids break them body parts, yeah, so you cannot really prevent them something, yeah, unless you just close your child in the house, but even in the house, anything can happen in the house. So yeah man, it just happened. I'm not blame nobody. I'm not try to find the reason why it happened. It just was a simple run. The man chased the ball, the man dropped, the man just unlucky. He was unlucky on that day. So but me just glad we went on time, did everything. We never really, we never like wait until Monday, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, because government hospital is 24/7. So, any emergency, you know where to go, you know who to ask for help, you know what I'm saying? That's great. So now me I sit down, I'ma say, Errol, if me I go give birth, me I go government hospital. Get it.
Daddy, so
Careful. Yeah, Danny. Hello, Daniel. Kizzy.
It's a computer.
See with him castle on?
Yeah, so it is nothing better than chill together as a family. All of we are at home, Danny home, finally. Yeah, Leo, are you happy Daniel is at home? Leo, are you happy Danny is at home? Yeah? Leo happy too. So only my problem now is how to be a Daniel, cause it's very uncomfortable. So I always ask Carol to help me. Yeah, because you cannot wet. This is a half cast, so you can wet it also. So a little, uncomfortable moments that came with the wearing cast, and also Daniel cannot go to the swimming pool right now. Yeah, for 3 months, like something like that. He might go wear cast for 3 or 4 months. yeah, so I am keep looking on Amazon for a waterproof cover for the cast, so that way he can use the pool, because you know guys, we have pool in the area, and Daniel, he cries the pool. He wants to go to the pool, but you know how it goes. Yep. Yeah, and on a playground too, we need to be really careful right now, cause not gonna make it if I'm gonna drop one more time on the hand. So kind of rough, but I have to take double care of Daniel now. Yep. But we're there. Yeah, Leo, we're there waiting on Christmas soon. Never even realized with all what was going on, I even forgot that Christmas around the corner. So I have to bake cake. I'm gonna need to bake some nice Christmas cake, but you know the way we busy, we just me no know, and the way everything just happened, me not have even a mood. You know, you need to have a mood to bake a Christmas cake. You need to be in the mood, alright? Yeah, but sooner or later I'm gonna, you know, brave up and start bake my Christmas cake. Yeah, maybe next week I'll capture it on video or two. So I promise next video will be me baking some Christmas stuff, you know, making some sorrel and those goodies. Yeah, so thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Hope you enjoyed the video, even though it was a little bit heavy, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, take care. Bye.